Hi everyone and welcome back to Monday Family Adventures. So today we're doing an adventure lapse in the town of Marlborough in England. So I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give the video a like. And if you're new to the channel, please feel free to subscribe, that'd be awesome. And yeah, enjoy. Welcome to the wagon yard. Hey? Try and get around this. I don't like to film on plates. Nice Porsche 911 Carrera S. You what? Where? The wine bar. And then you got the lamb in next to it. Doing a live cash in Marlborough. First one's the town hall. Answer: the town hall stands proud at the eastern end of Marlborough High Street. Third town hall on this site. Opening in 1902, having replaced previous town halls. Say look. Oh, I think that's it. Hey? Stand here. Contains a courtroom with cells below for prisoners. Go to the south side of the building on Oxford Street. That's the question, so it's it with this venture. How many miles to Andover and Salisbury is it from here? Hey, look, to Salisbury to Andover there. 27 miles. That's a good one, that, yeah. You wouldn't even know that, would you? You just walk straight past it. You know what? I'm sure we have been through here. Yeah. Perhaps. What are we doing in there then? Oh, alright. Free. Oh, there's a coffee lab over there, Shell. It's coffee, it sells coffee. Sorry, I guess. The merchant's house is there, yeah. Kind of got to get to the merchant's house. Angel Yards here. Hold on.
So up to size 28.
So that's the merchant house. Silk mercer and prominent citizen who was twice mayor, ran his business and brought up his family in this building. Contains a museum which shows how the silk mercer's house would have looked. Fire ravaged the centre of the town 1653, which damaged many of the buildings here. The merchant house was one building that was rebuilt at the time. Take a look at the round drain cover with holes by the pillar on the right of the museum entrance. Right, we've got to look at the drain is self XXX according to the writing. What is the 7-letter word after self? So we're going to cross the road. If we can. Everyone's decided to time this wrong, haven't they? What's this car? Ready to cross? Go! Typical it's on this side, but next one's on that side. That tunnel's pretty impressive, isn't it? I'll try and take a photo of it in a minute. Picture of it as well, well done. Castle and Ball Hotel next. The Castle and Ball Hotel. Here's here, look, here's the museum. That's where the silk merchant used to live. Oh, look at his purse, look, there. Birds on there.
Oh yeah.
That's pretty cool.
It's for a bedroom.
That's quite cool.
Nice, isn't it?
See if you go for a gold colour scheme.
It's meant to be a tray actually, it's not meant to be a house. It's not meant to be a picture. It's a tray.
Oh, it's a tray. Royalist Army fought their way into the town and defeated the parliamentary garrison. Where was that? Right. There's a plaque to the right of the alleyway next to the building. In which year did the battle take place? 1642. Correct. That is correct, Lewis. So now we're going to move on to the next one. So this building is not actually listed, nor is it as old as it looks. It was built in 1925. Okay, press the button.
What answer?
Yep. What is the year on the cat carving? April 28th. 1653. No, one more. Well done. That's quite interesting, isn't it? Yeah, we would have walked straight past that.
Yeah.
Is it a real door, or is it a part of the building which was built in the 1920s? That's what that's his Aston. I hope that's his Aston Martin. I don't know, that's what they said. I hope that's his Aston Martin. The old Line Court, look. That's like an old building as well. Those of you who know who Rick Stein is. He's a famous chef. At the top of look. He's got a thing up, sign up for it. The library used to be St. Peter's School. It was built in 1853. This was a school, Lewis, and it was built in 1853. A famous teacher taught here and became the founder of Save the Children Fund. A blue plaque is located on the wall to commemorate this fact. What was their surname? 4 letters.
Jeb. 2 B's.
Jeb. Congratulations, you've completed the Marlborough High Street. Well done. So that's that one done. We'll rate it 5. Post. That's it. So now at the church.
Wait, we're already at the church, weren't we?
The old church in Marlborough. Yeah, it's huge. It's in a good spot as well because you can see it all the way down the high street, can't you? In fact, this really fancy college. That's really fancy. Hi everyone, so that's it today. We didn't have a great deal of time. We just wanted to walk around and do the adventure labs. So I hope you enjoyed it. Another beautiful little area in England. So thank you very much for watching. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you again very soon with more. Thank you. And bye. New Holland with a Ford engine.